Are you seeing the Server Library DLL runtime error mid-game? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows Systems Specialist, and I've diagnosed the fix to keep your gaming session stable. As we prepare to resolve Server Library, consider using the diagnostic path below to ensure a stable environment for your libraries. This is the Server Library, the source engine server library. It manages the unmanaged server-side game logic, including player state tracking, physics simulation, and world state synchronization. It is the primary orchestrator for multiplayer data link manifests in games like CS:GO or Garry's mod. Understanding the file's role is a great start. Now let's look at replacing it. Server is commonly utilized in game graphics and audio processing routines. To resolve the error, install the Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime to restore legacy DirectX-related DLLs, then update your GPU drivers to ensure full OpenCL and OpenGL support. If the installer was unable to bridge the gap, we will move to phase 2 of our diagnostic to refresh the system's memory. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the server library file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. Since that didn't resolve it, let's pivot to step 3 to address the root cause directly. If you need to pause the video to get your workspace ready, take your time. If you're still seeing performance alerts post-reboot, it's time to rebuild the diagnostic registration entries. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, the issue is typically found in the registry registration rather than the file itself. This rebuild command clears out legacy performance data and reestablishes a clean connection to the OS monitoring tools. It's worth taking a moment to discuss the safe acquisition of runtime components. Safety first. Never attempt to replace Server Library DLL with files found on random download portals. These sites lack quality control and often distribute files that are incompatible with modern Windows updates. A professional diagnostic tool can be a valuable asset for those looking to maintain long-term system stability and file integrity. If system alerts or resource lag are present, the resource below outlines maintenance considerations related to Server Library. By subscribing, you're ensuring that the next time you encounter Server Library critical error, you'll have a trusted expert ready to help.